Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of January, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.19. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 91.02% since we first designated BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate 14 days ago. This equates to an average return of 6.5% per day since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further growth within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 125.44% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from around 42.34% to 188.31%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 36.7% over the next year, with potential returns fluctuating between negative 59.93% and 70.42%. This hints at a price range between $3.15 and $13.41 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, Significant Movements in BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Wednesday, with fluctuations of 10.42% between high and low. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, the BigBear.ai Holdings stock price decreased by 6.53%, falling from $8.42 to $7.87. This marks a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 10.42%, with a low of $7.68 and a high of $8.48. The stock has shown volatility during this period, yet it has achieved a gain of 60.29% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased by 2 million shares on the last day, although this occurred amid falling prices, which may signal an early warning. The risk level may rise slightly in the coming days. In total, 60 million shares exchanged hands, amounting to approximately $470,220,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $10.35, while the lowest price was $1.17. Currently, the price is 23.96%, or $2.48, below the 52-week high, and 51.18%, or $8.25, below the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April, 2022, when it reached $16.12. BigBear.ai, often abbreviated as BBAI, continues to capture attention following recent significant developments. On the 18th of February, the company secured yet another defense contract, strengthening its position in the rapidly expanding artificial intelligence sector. This news could provide a positive boost to BBAI's stock, demonstrating real progress in obtaining long-term contracts and thereby enhancing investor confidence. Furthermore, the broader context of the AI industry plays a pivotal role in shaping BBAI's outlook. The company is being recognized among the leading AI stocks, promoting a perception that it could experience a growth trajectory akin to that of NVIDIA. NVIDIA has experienced remarkable growth, with its shares increasing nearly 86% over the past year, establishing a competitive benchmark for BBAI. Recently, BBAI's stock price has enjoyed a significant rise, with an impressive increase of 133% in 2025, reflecting strong market sentiment and investor interest. Looking forward, as artificial intelligence technologies continue to spread across various sectors, BBAI is well positioned to take advantage of these trends. The stock's short-term path may be energized if the company continues to secure lucrative contracts and maintains its growth narrative. In the long term, ongoing innovations and strategic partnerships could further cement BigBear.ai's reputation in the AI landscape, potentially leading to sustained price increases that would be appealing to investors. This favorable environment not only suggests a bullish phase for BBAI, but also aligns with the growing demand for artificial intelligence solutions across industries. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October 2024, H.C. Wainwright also assigned BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock currently indicates a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, it also shows a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $8.79. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average at around $5.27. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will activate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been identified, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, resulting in a decline of approximately 19.53%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 87 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 16 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average issued a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 95 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 110 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $7.11 and $6.77. Without any support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is heightened. A drop below the support level of $6.77 could result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock exhibits notable volatility during the day, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 80 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 10.42%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 16.42%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios might suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates indicate a loss of 5 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $8.71. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings faces its first support level at $7.11. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the last day of January in the year 2025, Carolyn Blankenship sold 66,153 shares of common stock. On January 22nd in the year 2025, Paul E. Fulcino purchased 11,338 shares of common stock. On the same day, Pamela Joyce Braden bought 21,542 shares of common stock. Also on January 22nd, Peter Anthony Canito Jr. acquired 25,850 shares of common stock. Finally, on that day, BBAI Ultimate Holdings LLC purchased 43,878 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a negative insider power with a ratio of negative 88.294. In total, insiders have bought 5,314,143 shares and sold 96,765,080 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $7.51, reflecting a decline of 4.58%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which presents a considerable risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for BigBear.ai Holdings stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of February, we anticipate BigBear.ai Holdings to open at a price of 14 cents and begin trading at $8.01. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.